The table shows the pH and nature, acidic/basic, of 4 different solutions. Which one of the options in the table is correct? The table shows the pH and nature, acidic/basic, of 4 different solutions. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Solutions with a pH less than 7 are acidic, and solutions with a pH greater than 7 are basic. pH scale and nature of some common chemicals are shown in the figures. Option B. Milk of magnesia has a pH of 10, which is basic. The color of the pH paper is given as blue, which is consistent with a basic solution. This option is correct. Here's a breakdown of why the other options are incorrect. Option A. Lemon juice has a pH of 3, which is acidic. The color of pH paper is given as orange but nature is given as basic. This option is incorrect. Option C. Gastric juice has a pH of 1, which is very acidic. The color of the pH paper is given as red, but pH value of 6 is incorrect for a strong acidic solution. This option is incorrect. Option D. Pure water has a pH of 7, which is neutral. The color of the pH paper is given as yellow, which should be green with a neutral solution. This option is incorrect. Curious question. Define the pH of a solution. Answer: it is a measure of the basic or acidic power of a solution. It is a scale to measure the hydrogen ion concentration in the solution. Lower the hydrogen ion concentration, higher is the pH.